beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I achieved this, as in how I just grew this natural hair in less than 1 hour. Protective hairstyle. You know your girl, I love to do a voiceover, but this hair is giving me that vibe. So I don't want voiceover to kill this vibe, so I try to show my gorgeous beautiful face. If you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous hairstyle, kindly please keep on watching. These are the things we are going to be needing: needle and thread, headband, this is the hair I'm using, then a crochet cap and a crochet hook. This is a white headband, so I'm just showing you how the headband look like, putting it on the manicure to see how it look like. So this is the crochet cap I'll be using, then I'll put the headband on it, then I'll start sewing. The method I'm sewing, the sewing won't show outside the headband, so I'll just start sewing. I'll zoom this place in very well for you to see how I'm sewing this part. I keep sewing round. When I'm done sewing, I will knot it like 3 to 4 times. So now I'll cut the remaining part I didn't sew to the headband. This part was not showing very, I don't know what happened. I'm going to cut the excess crochet cap away. Can you see? I guess you can see a little. I'll cut it away. We don't need that part. After I'm done cutting the excess cap, then this is the hair. I'll cut the tip of this hair. We don't need that part. We have to cut it away if we want to use this kind of hair. So now start crocheting. This crochet hook really dealt with me. I mean, oh my god, the knot was kind of big, and the crochet hook that really fits the size of this hole is kind of removing when I'm crocheting. So I was just switching crochet hook in this video to look for perfect crochet that will work for me, that will make the crochet be faster, that will make the crochet faster. So just crochet in a round formula. You first crochet it round before we start crocheting the middle part. That was what I was showing you with my hand demonstrating. Just crochet it round. This hair did not even take me like 1 hour to achieve. This is a very, very fast, as in fast DIY. When I'm talking about the fastest DIY, this is a very fast DIY. So I keep crocheting around. You can see I switch crochet hook here. That was what I was saying from the beginning. So this was a crochet hook that really worked for me. That was really fast, but it's no more good. The tip is just coming off. I could not help it than to change to another crochet hook again, because I'm timing myself. I don't want to finish this hairstyle more than 1 hour, below 1 hour. That was what was the time I gave myself, below 1 hour. So now this is the middle part. I've already started crocheting the middle part. If you notice, I use one big at the middle part because the one I used from the beginning, the hair is not one pack. I already used like half from it, so I need to add another hair to it. That is color 1B, because I didn't have the color of my hair again one, but it didn't show at the end of the video. You won't know. That was why I used color 1 to crochet around. So the one at the middle, it won't be obvious. It won't show. If I didn't tell you, you won't know, but I have to. But you can use one pack to achieve this hairstyle. If you want the hair to be fuller than this, you can use more than one pack. So it depends on the size you want. Can you see, this is the 3rd crochet hook I'm using. This was the final crochet hook I used at last. So let's keep on watching. If you've not subscribed, please please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, comment, share with your loved ones. I really appreciate that so much. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. So now I'm just trimming it off. Do not trim a lot from the beginning. Just trim a little bit before you put the hair on, because if you over trim this hair, it's no more afro look. It will be like Piccolina look, that is small look. So now I'm just adding clip inside to protect the headband when I'm not adding a drawstring to mine, because the one I see on Amazon, they had drawstring to it. Me, I'm not doing that. So I'm going to be sewing this clip in so it hits. The one I saw on Amazon, as I said earlier, there was a drawstring which I'm not adding. I'll just be sewing that clip in. So now let's rock this hair. This actually look like my natural hair. This came out so beautiful. I'm going to be rocking this hair a lot to my daughters, to pick her from school, to take her to school, to go to the mall, to go to the market, to do house chores. I'm going to be rocking this hair a lot. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, share with your loved ones. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, because I'm going to be dropping some more of this natural protective hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. See, before I go, let me tell you, can rock this hair with different kind of hairband or scarf. You can rock it with any hair tie of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao, love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.